My gorgeously beautiful wife would like to get into some content creation. Proud of you, babe. So I bought her something that she is going to need. It's in that box right there. I'm actually pointing at it. You try to get used to filming stuff while looking out of the corner of your eye at the camera and look at the screen at the same time. It's this. Well, it's not just this. It's also this and this. And whatever fell on the floor. I have been creating content for years between myself and some clients, and I use a GorillaPod with a pretty basic phone adapter. It lets me put my phone on trees, on fences, or on my desk, but I figure for my wife, I can get her a much bigger tripod. This is an UBeesize tripod. Now you have the tripod that comes in. This kit costs right around $30 before tax, so about $32 after tax. You can adjust the angle of the clip where the camera goes onto. The tripod itself can go up to somewhere around 6 feet tall, a little bit under 6. I'm like 5'11" without shoes on. So right here, whatever that distance is, an extra 5. So 5'9", 5 foot something. The kit comes with a phone mount that you can screw on, and you can have it sideways like here, or as a second mounting position where you can screw it on the bottom, and it can adjust up and down for however big or small your phone might be. But I'm gonna remove this because the other part of this is for light, because lighting is important. It comes with a 12-inch light. Come to think about, I might actually have to get an extension cord for her because this goes only so far. And now with this on it, we can just screw the phone mount into the back. And now she can adjust the phone mount if she wants it horizontal, if she wants to make it vertical for shorts, however she'd like to do it. So let's turn this on and see exactly how bright this is. Whoa, okay, so that's kind of bright. I have now brightened my face up. This is what happens when I see my wife. My face just gets lit up. And this, when I see my wife, this is what I look for. The halo around her head, because she's an angel. This is as bright as it goes, and you can dim it down to off and like just below off apparently. And this is as bright as it gets. Oh, and they have different temperatures of light depending on what you're filming in the environment. You can go from like the pure white to more of the orange, warm light. So we should actually test this on my phone. This is a vertical version of it because that's how my S26 Ultra fits. My S26 is a pretty big phone, so it's fitting vertical. So let's swap it. And this is the horizontal. So this is just how bright it goes on that brightest setting, how I look all lit up and whatnot. Let's just change it for the different color tones that it provides. More of a warm tone, a little bit less of a warm tone, more of a neutral, more of a cool color, more of a brighter cool, and back. So it's got multiple different settings that you can use. Now my phone's pretty big for this. It's 12 inches around. They do actually make a bigger 15-inch one. But as this will be her just getting started, so to say, I think this could be a perfect fit for her needs. And I'm kind of a little bit jealous. Now I've got a ring light here in my office, and I kind of would like to have my own ring light now. My wife has the iPhone 15, just like the regular 15. It would be perfect size for this. She doesn't have a mic yet, but I would probably need the 15-inch ring because of just how big my phone is. I guess the thing I wish they would have would be an adjustment to make this arm be able to adjust up and down and left and right depending on the phone that you're using. But to get my wife started, this is actually a pretty budget-friendly option for us to have. Let me know your thoughts on this product in the comments below. Remember to like, comment, sub, and I'll see you guys in the next video.